The challenge at this church daycare: build a new playground on this space, but the centerpiece has to be this 2-ton rock, a favorite spot for pictures and play.
That rock has been here for, people will say, for like 20 or 30 years, I think. It was donated, and then for years now, generations of kids have their picture taken on this rock. So it had to stay, and so that's what's amazing about this whole concept is they were able to build that into this playground.
Our crews moved the rock, installed the playground using existing and brand new pieces of AAA State of Play equipment, and surrounded it with smooth, cushy surfacing.
We really have kids from birth to 4 years old here, and so we're excited with the poured surface. The poured in place surface has been the best thing for us. It is the centerpiece, and we love, of course, in Scripture, on a rock, Jesus will build his church, but we're happy that here we can work around this rock, and this can be the centerpiece for years to come of kids continually getting their picture taken. And now moms, dads, and grandparents are going to look back and see all their kids, all their grandkids with a picture on top of this rock. So it's awesome. I've been in and out of the church world, but in and out of construction too. This was one of the easiest companies I've ever worked with, but also the process was super smooth, and we were able to design some of it ourselves. Like obviously throwing the rock in this element, around the rock used to be a sidewalk, and so they were able to kind of incorporate that same thing with the turf, with the rubber in, and pouring it in a circle pattern to where it still kind of kept our original concept, and then we were able to change it. So they were the easiest thing I've ever done.
AAA State of Play. You could say we really rocked this one.
So sweet. He does like the picture too. He's like, I'm getting all the attention. Yeah.